तो होगा जी। अनाउंसमेंट किस चीज़ की है वो बता दो।
फर्स्ट है शाह साहब, जो हमने लास्ट प्रोग्राम में की थी, डोंट ब्रेक योर वजीफा और यू विल हैव टू कनेक्ट।
Okay, basically, anyone either from any group, either is the subscription group or the USA group or maybe the UK group or maybe Finland group or Sufi Guidance Free Clinic for India and Pakistan, Bangladesh. If they break these two particulars, Wazifa, they will have to pre-book and they will have to speak to me. There is no other alternative for this. The only alternative is they will have to speak to Sister Zaira, and I would humbly request and in very strong words ask you all to do one thing. If the Wazifa breaks, do not restart on your own. And the admins will not give it this particular Wazifa to you. They will give a alternative Wazifa until you speak to Sister Zaira or maybe you pre-book and talk to me. 336 3000 Bismillah, 3 times Virde Mubin, and once 6000 times Ya Latifo. This is the one Wazifa, and the other Wazifa that is very strictly restricted is 636 6000 Bismillah, 3 times Virde Mubin, and 6000 times Ya Latifo. So make sure this Wazifa does not break and you do not miss it. In extreme circumstances, the admin might grant you all permission, but still I would ask, humbly request to you all in very strong words, do not miss or break this particular Wazifa. Ji, done. Next.